Hello, Mike. How you doing? Just doing a quick taste test and sampler. Got a few sides. I usually don't eat, but willing to try. Chopsticks. First up is summer salad. Surprisingly good. I'm just doing this really quick. So I'm gonna tell y'all the name, tell y'all how it tastes to me. I'll do like another video later. Actually, probably gonna try and make these shits. That's simple. This one is broccoli and more salad. Well, all right. Kind of tastes like Thousand Island with some cranberries and broccoli. Not bad though. All right. Next we have deviled egg potato salad. Look at all this egg and the goodness. I better hope this shit good. I can't say where I got it from. I ain't trying to get hit with no slander, you feel me? Alright, I'm black. Y'all know deviled eggs separate from potato salad. But on the Caucasian spectrum of taste, I'm very surprised that they decided to do both, but it ain't that bad. It's definitely not that good, but it ain't that bad. Ooh. And last but not least, the spicy ass rotini pasta salad. It's very hard to fuck up pasta salad. It's really not a lot to it. But we'll see. We're just gonna end the video right here. That's how I feel about it. But thank y'all. Summer salad, good. Broccoli and more salad, good. Deviled egg potato salad, okay. Pasta salad, trash. Despicable. No taste. The taste that's that salty than the motherfucker, and it feel like it added lemon juice just to get an extra kick. Everything in this bitch don't go together. And I'm talking about from the olives to the carrots to whatever the fuck that is to the rotini pasta that's overcooked. And I mean that with everything I got in my culinary endeavors, and just they need to be slapped for this one. But I mean the other shit good. You know, hey, shout out Shane's Donuts, man. You know what I'm saying? We had some Shane's Donuts earlier, you feel me? But well, I'm finna spit this out, y'all. Y'all see I stopped chewing it. So, for those that made this, it's spit out. You feel me? But everything go cool. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the lady that sold us this shit too, bro. She was cool as fuck. You feel me? I'm trying not to say who made that shit. You feel me? Like the stove, cause I ain't trying to get hit with nothing. But I'll put that shit down in the description. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna say it, but y'all can read that shit. Fuck wrong with you.